Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys, we're going to get cleaning in my kitchen. So I'm going to take everything out of the counter. As you guys can see, I have some supplies here. Yes, you guys see this? I'm having again those little tiny little ants in the counter again. This time I actually was coming from the hallway this way, and I saw a whole bunch of little ants in the hallway, so I sprayed them. I bought some dishwashing liquid, my favorite brand. You know which one it is. So I was going to show you my water, and I bought pinoline. This is the lemon scent. So I want to take everything out, guys. And if you participated in my collaboration, I want to thank you. Everything was great. Everybody did such a wonderful video. So guys, let me do this, and before I continue, this video is part of the open collaboration Get It Done or Let's Get It All Done. This is hosted by the Prato Live every Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 2 p.m. Central Time. I don't know which one is her time, but my time is 4 p.m. on Thursdays. So I'm going to take everything out of the counter, microwave, air fryer, everything, and I'm going to wipe my counter, and from there we're going to move on, guys. We're going to move on. So you don't need to see me taking the stuff out, so you guys already know. And before I do that, I'm gonna make me a nice coffee. All right, and also like I said, I just came from the Dollar Tree to purchase the stuff that I needed. Was the outfit of the day, so I'm going to change my dress and put on a t-shirt, because every time I wear a dress, I wear shorts. So we're going to continue. It's funny because my husband said, for you to look at your phone, you need your glasses, but you could see a little tiny little dot of an ant crawling to the counter, and this counter is like, I cannot even see it. He got a better vision than me. I said, I don't know, it's a woman thing. We always like, when it comes to the kitchen, I know I am. I'm extremely picky when it comes to the kitchen. I'm the type of person that if I go to your house and you invite me to eat, and I see that the walls are splattered and stuff, I'll be like, no, thank you, I'm not hungry. Not to be considered, but that's me, that is me. So I'm going to move you guys over here. Oh, Lord have mercy. This is very concentrated. I haven't sprayed yet, so I want to make sure everything is clean, because I'm not the only one that used my kitchen. Of course, my husband used the kitchen, and if he served himself some coffee and he spills sugar or anything, and he doesn't clean it right away, that's one and I spray. And I did let the management team know, so they're coming to spray tomorrow, Monday. They usually come every 3 months, but they're coming tomorrow. But I have never had any problem with roaches in here. And God, please, knock on wood, I don't want to have any. All right. So I'm just going to, and this is okay. It doesn't bother. So I'm just gonna spray there. I have used this before. It doesn't bother my dogs. So just make sure that you have a pet and you use this product. You spray it. Don't spray it near your dog food or anything that the dog could be breathing it in. Okay. I can't wait to see my grandson. My grandson right now, he's in PR. He's in Puerto Rico, getting to know the family, getting to know the island. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to be cleaning all of this. Hopefully the bleach water don't take the color off. Well, I'm throwing these bottles out. These are from the Dollar Tree. If I wanted, I could buy some more. This tub came undone. I'm trying to fix it, and since I have it for a while, it's kind of loose. So every time I use it, I have to hold it with my hands. So I'm throwing this out. This one is still okay, but I'm gonna throw it out. I don't need it. I'm gonna keep the top. This top is still good. So just in case. So I keep my cooking oil here in this big one. So I just use the chef to carry my garlic head. So I'm gonna put them up there so I have more space over here. So I refill my pepper. Um, I'm not gonna refill the salt because I already have one of the salt. I barely use salt anyways. It's very rare that I use salt, so guys, I'm going to finish and I'm gonna show you the end result. I got everything already off the floor except few things, which is right here. My bullet, put right there. Paper towel. I don't know. It feels like I have more space. How can I have more space? Like weird. I have everything. That's where I put my spoons. Oh, I'm missing my coffee things, which huh. That's alright. I'm gonna put my chef over here next to the other chef. It's alright. And I put my coffee containers where they belong. So I'm going to do that and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, guys? I thought I was recording. I took everything out. I cleaned it. I sprayed it because I keep my dog's food down here. And I don't want to, even though it's secure, but I just want to avoid any infestation of anything. And this is, I keep my baking pans, so it's okay there. And I always clean my appliances before I put them away. I use my toaster. Every day I use the toaster. And I'm just going to put the rest of my cleaning supplies here. And I'm going to sweep and mop. And I will do that in a minute. And I will show you the final results. Okay? Of the stove. Whew. It wasn't bad at all, but it needed to be done. I had a couple of drips. Okay. done, that's it. Guys, don't worry. I've been going outside in between and getting some air, okay? Let me make sure this gas tank is safe. Okay. All right, so let's finish this video. Sorry, I don't know where the camera was pointing. So I spray back there. I mop the back there. So now I'm going to finish my kitchen and I'll show you the end results. I also moved my refrigerator, sweep underneath. There was just a lot of dust bunnies. Oh, I found like maybe 2 or 3 little ants. So I sprayed there. Now I'm gonna go and check in my doorway because I'm trying to follow their path where they come from. And when you break that path, they start coming in. And I'm like, I don't have anything still on the counter and stuff, but anything attracts them because they look for sweet stuff, food, anything, you know. This is one of my cake plates that I keep here ready at all times. All right, now I'm done. I moved the stove, everything is clean. So now I'm going to close this video and show you. And I'm going to polish the cabinets with my plush off camera. You guys don't need to see that. You guys know how to do that. All right. All right, guys, everything is done. My kitchen is clean, so I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile overall. Stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and I do too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye.